Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're looking at the beautiful Gabriella. Now we're gonna look at the pool. This is one of the really cool pools in Dallas. This is, the Gabriella is a really pretty high rise. We're looking at it today in detail. You can see it here. I think it has about 14 floors, so I'd call it kind of a mini high rise, but it's a super cool high rise. But this is the pool area. I love this pool. I mean, look at the views that you have from the pool. It's one of the most iconic to me pools really in Dallas. I mean, you've got downtown Dallas over here, just all around, and then I like just the lines that are here. It just creates a really nice visual experience. But the pool itself, you can actually sit in the pool like this with those seats. You've got seating that's all around it here too. So shaded seating here. You've got a lot of tables that are here outside as well. We just saw the lounge, so you can see the video that has the lounge there. But just a really fun pool to enjoy. And this is, by the way, I believe it's the sixth floor. So 6th floor pool. So it's up enough where you've just got some fantastic views. This is a little bit more of the pool area. It's really, really pretty. Really pretty area here, and this is what it looks like. So this is an A+ pool to me. It's not the most huge pool I've ever seen. It's definitely not small, but it's just a fun, iconic, really cool pool. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. Now we're gonna go see some apartments. Let's go see those right now.